Welcome back. Peace, love, what's good, troopers? We got something exciting going on, especially this March 20th. First of its kind dalam Malaysia. This year they bump up the specs and they call it the Mate Xs. Woo! Did I just did that? So there was like a media preview in London and I believe another one in Barcelona. Well, I'm not there. So last year model Mate X, dia bukan international release. They only officially release dekat China. The first of its kind. Macam korang tahu lah Galaxy Fold yang buka dari dalam ada screen. Yang ni dia punya screen dekat luar. So gorgeously outside, so sexy. And I was like, when? Bila nak keluar official? So basically tahun ni, tahun 2020 is the year of the flipping, folding phone. And then now we got the Huawei Mate Xs. Okay, what's fresh? What's new from this XS series? So basically, overall design dia sama je. It's all the same. You know the saying, why change something that isn't broken? So I think it's cool that they're sticking to the same design. 8-inch tablet size display, which can be fold, yang boleh fold. Dekat depan, it will be a 6.6-inch screen. Dekat belakang, it's still the same screen, but dekat screen belakang, diorang akan only use 6.4 inches. Sebab mungkin tangan korang akan block depan screen ke apa kan. Bila korang buka phone tu kan, dia jadi 8 inch. So cool. So cool. So futuristic. I'm so excited guys. Dalam banyak phone ni, Huawei managed to do the fold with zero gaps. Tak ada lubang weh. Lubang tak ada. It's really tight. Closes flat. No gaps. And they managed to improve the screen yang kat luar tu. Macam mana entah diorang add a few more layers, so it's much more durable, much more heavy duty than the previous model last year. And the best thing is no folding crease. Dia punya screen tak ada crease. There's no folding crease. It's a flat surface, which is the new model this year. Tahun ni diorang increase the punya folding mechanism. Aku dengar diorang letak dalam 100 parts dalam tu to improve the punya folding, to last longer folds. And aku rasa diorang pakai some material liquid metal. Korang tahu tak liquid metal tu apa?
Let's go.
T1000 way. Future good. And on top of that, they still use this quad camera system, which I believe is the same as the P30 Pro. The main camera is a wide camera lens at 40 megapixels. Telephoto camera lens 8 megapixels. And then we got the ultra wide at 16 megapixels. And the last camera is Huawei's TOF camera. So you got all the camera you need, no problem. So belakang dah 4 kamera. Mana selfie camera? Tak perlu babe. Sebab the screen is wrapped around the phone. Korang boleh simply turn around, face the back camera, and the back screen will become your selfie. Simple as that. No notches, no pop-ups, no punch holes. Just use the direct main camera. High quality selfie pictures. So korang boleh go gaga, okay? And because it's a folding phone, it can hold not 1 but 2 batteries guys. Ada 2 battery side by side, which brings you a total of 4,500 capacity. And guys, here's the best part. It has 55 watt charger. 55 watt weh. Kau tahu tak berapa cepat tu? Dalam setengah jam kau boleh charge 80%. 85% aku check balik. Dalam 15 minit 50%. So what's the biggie? So what's the problem? Kepada korang yang suka wireless charging, I don't think so there's wireless charging because the way the phone is designed. And there's no in-screen fingerprint. Fingerprint is built into the power button, which is cool. I like it. As on the location is perfect and it's fast. It's all good. Okay, now is the reason why this is the model XS than the previous model X. This is the updated version of Huawei's Kirin 990 One thing cool about this Kirin 990, it has built-in 5G modem into the chip. So korang ada bandwidth of 2G, 3G, 4G up to 5G. All bands covered because it has both NSA and SA 5G. On top all of that, it supports dual SIM and external SD up to 256 GB. So the basic model yang akan keluar kat Malaysia is the 8 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM. Memang puas hati lah. Memang spec overkill. Flagship specs guys, flagship specs. And of course you get a Type-C connection. But unfortunately there's no audio jack because we're gonna go for the wireless. The future of wireless, okay? Dengan spec yang tinggi, profile is so slim. It has to cool down. So what they use, they call it the world's first flexible bionic graphite cooler. It cools down the phone to prevent it from overheating. And because it uses Kirin 990, everything's integrated, so you have better efficiency, faster performance, and less energy consumption. So longer battery life. So conclusion, I can't wait to have my hands on the Huawei Mate Xs. Huawei, please send me one. Let me share to the world out there, to Malaysians out there about your future technological phone, which is so wow, which was everybody's reaction. Wow. So korang tunggu when I get my hands on this model XS so we can have a proper unboxing, review, and then I'm gonna show you guys what this fold can do. What's the benefit of a fold and why folding phone is the future. The future is in the hands of Huawei Mate Xs. Alright, to the next one guys. This is Shaz. Peace, love, what's good? Troopers. Fold it back. I'm gonna fold it back.